When we think of rockets, we imagine space mission and modern warfare. But what if I told you India had battlefield rockets? In the 18th century, these were not myths. They were real, deadly, and decade ahead of their time. Let's explore the Mysorean rockets and the warrior scientists who launched them. In the late 1700s, the kingdom of Mysuru, ruled by Hyder Ali and later his son Tipu Sultan, developed and deployed one of the world's first iron-cased rockets. Unlike earlier bamboo or paper rockets used in China, Mysore's rocket used iron tubes to hold explosive powder. This allowed higher pressure, longer range, and deadly impact. These rockets were not just flashy, they could travel over kilometers and create chaos among enemy formations. During the Anglo-Mysore War, Tipu Sultan's army used thousands of these rockets against the British East India Company. The Battle of Pollilur in 1780 saw British troops panic as flaming rocket arced unpredictably and exploded mid-air upon impact, something they had never seen before. The British were so shocked that they collected these rockets as war trophies and reverse engineered them years later. In fact, Mysore rocket technology inspired the British to develop their own, leading to the famous Congreve rockets used in the Napoleonic Wars and the War of 1812. So yes, a rocket system from South India directly influenced European rocket warfare. And Tipu Sultan did not just use them, he organized special rocket brigades, trained soldiers, and had manual on rocket use. After Tipu Sultan's fall in 1799, many of his rockets engineers were either killed or captured. The technology faded in India, but its influence echoed across the world. Today, those iron rockets are preserved in the museum like the Royal Artillery Museum in London, reminders of India's forgotten role in the modern warfare evolution. The Mysorean rockets were not just weapons, they were the symbol of innovation, defense, and scientific thinking in the heat of war. Before the NASA, before the V-2 rockets, and before missile became modern, Indian warriors had already taken to the skies. Tipu Sultan rocket warriors proved that science and war often collide, and history remembers the bold. If this amazed your mind, hit like, launch a comment, and subscribe for more Indian tech and history almost forgot.